Rules of trade voucher entry. Trade vouchers, sales and purchase vouchers comprise the most frequently used vouchers in trade business. Sales voucher. Sales voucher is created to record all sorts of sales transactions, cash or credit sales. In first ledger, select the customer ledger account in case of credit sale or cash bank account in case of cash sale to be debited. The next ledger account would be a ledger under sales group and must be credited. Any ledger may be transacted in subsequent accounts, either debit or credit. For example, if the freight is to be borne by seller but is to be paid by buyer, the next entry would be freight outwards debit and the net amount payable would be reduced. If the freight paid is paid by seller but is to be borne by buyer, freight outwards credit and freight would be added in the net payable amount. No ledger account under purchase group can be transacted in sales voucher. Purchase voucher. Purchase voucher is created to record all sorts of purchase transactions, cash or credit purchase. At first ledger, select supplier account in case of credit purchase or cash bank account in case of cash purchase to be credited. The next ledger account would be a ledger under purchase group and must be debited. Any ledger may be transacted in subsequent accounts, either debit or credit. For example, if the freight is charged by seller in the invoice, freight inwards would be debit and the amount would be added in the invoice. If the freight is to be borne by seller but is to be paid buyer, the freight inwards account would be credit and reduced in the invoice. In a purchase voucher, a ledger account under sales group cannot be transacted.